The Annioki A8 Pro Max electric bike stands out in the market with its impressive specifications and versatile performance. Designed for both urban commuting and adventurous off-road riding, this e-bike offers a powerful motor, long battery life, and a range of features that cater to various riding needs. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing the Annioki A8 Pro Max is an exciting experience. The package includes e-bike frame, rear cushion, set of pedals, integrated front and tail light, tool kits, and a user manual. At the heart of the Annioki A8 Pro Max is a first to have a robust dual brushless motor, where front has 1200 watt motor that can peak at 1600 watt, and back has 1500 watt motor that can peak up to 1900 watt. This powerful motor allows the bike to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, making it suitable for fast-paced city rides and thrilling off-road adventures. The bike's impressive torque of 100 Nm ensures excellent acceleration and the ability to tackle steep inclines with ease, handling gradients of 30 degree to 35 degree. One of the standout features of the A8 Pro Max is its massive 52-volt, 60 ampere, or 2880 watt-hour battery. This powerful battery provides a remarkable range, allowing up to 200 miles on full charge. This extensive range makes the A8 Pro Max perfect for long-distance commuting, extended rides, and even multi-day trips without worrying about frequent recharges. The Annioki A8 Pro Max features a sturdy aluminum frame designed in a unique cruiser style, providing both durability and aesthetic appeal. The bike is equipped with 20 by 4-inch CST tires, offering excellent traction and stability on various terrains. The patented air suspension helps in better shock absorption, and the 50mm adjustable air valve rear shock absorber ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough surfaces. The saddle is made of leather fabric, featuring breathable memory foam, which enhances rider comfort during long journeys. Additionally, the bike's weight capacity of 350 pounds makes it suitable for a wide range of riders, accommodating individuals with heights ranging from 5 foot 3 inch to 6 foot 5 inch. The A8 Pro Max comes with a Shimano 7-speed rear derailleur, providing smooth and reliable gear shifts for various riding conditions. The pedal assist system offers 5 levels of assistance, allowing riders to choose the level of support that best suits their needs. Safety is paramount, and the A8 Pro Max delivers with first to create different sizes of disc brakes, featuring 300mm front and 220mm rear front brakes. These brakes provide excellent stopping power, ensuring safe and confident riding in various weather conditions. The bike's IP65 waterproof rating covers the motor, battery, display, and wiring, protecting the components from water and dust, thus enhancing durability and reliability. The Annioki A8 Pro Max electric bike is a powerhouse, designed for both performance and comfort. Its high-powered motor, extensive battery range, and sturdy build make it a versatile choice for urban commuters and adventure seekers. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.